Alright. Alright. Okay, it's recording. Right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, bro. Yeah. My channel. Welcome to my channel. Right, for that, let's intro. Hey, we're back. Alright. My intro sucks, right? Yes. Comment down below and subscribe to my channel down there. Okay? Please guys, subscribe to my channel, like, you can't comment, and turn on the notification bell off, right? So today I'm gonna unboxing this new Hot Wheel, guys. Hot Wheel. Right, Subaru BRZ. Right, is limited run collectible. Right. Alright, scan me. I'm one of the guys. So you can play this on your phone. You can download it in the App Store. Right there. The App Store. And in Google Play Store. Right, so the name of the app is called ID Hot Wheels. Okay, you can play it, so you can scan it. Right. Right now, let's open it. So maybe one of you open slider here. This is actually magnetic stuff. Which leads you here. Okay, there it is, guys. You can see this. There, the car is right here. Yeah, basically that. So you can slide here, right there. Yeah. There you go. It's kind of cool. I said I already ever opened this. Right, I filmed it with my phone. Yeah, my phone sucks. If you want to send me a phone, iPhone 7 Plus, send it to me. Okay? You can DM me, message me on Instagram. Maybe I put somewhere there. Okay, up there, down there, I don't know. Description. Right. Go follow me there. Alright? Boom. Look at that, guys. Look at that car. Boom. Look at that car. Look at that car, boy. Can't throw you. Okay. There you go. There you go, guys. Okay. Alright. So this is purple. Alright, so wait. I cannot see, so wait a moment. So this is the car, guys. The car. Shit. So this actually is a brand. There's Hot Wheels. And so on. Sorry guys. Alright, back. There's the back, you know, if you are a BRZ. If you own a BRZ Subaru, you know the back of it. You know, there's Hub and FR Legends here. The down part is, you see in the camera, it's like bluish, but it's not, it's purple. It's purple. It's not blue, it's purple. With a naked eye. Alright, so tires, look at the tires. Look at the tires. Cannot focus it because I used a kit lens. You know, cannot be too close. And this is a rail actually. The bumper is a rail, not a real bumper. So it's like a race car and a rally car. And the window is yellow. Yellow, yeah, yellow. Two-seat car. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool, right? This looks so cool. This is the box, yeah. It's the box. Hot Wheels ID. Yeah, that is the app name. Hot Wheels ID. There you go. Alright, so that's. And by the way, I'm using this Sony a6000 last video unboxing. So this, yeah, the resolution. Good. Yeah, maybe I'll put it in my YouTube video. Beach photography, maybe. Yeah, maybe I'll put in my video. Alright. So I'm gonna put in my collection. Yeah, I have two collections actually. So this is I don't like to collect fantasy car, like a dragon, some things that's not real life. I have the GTR there, which the wheels are scraped. What's the scrape wheel? Yeah, listen, the wheels are scraped and you know, not like tires will not move properly. Kinda, yeah. GTR guys made by Malaysia. Is it in Malaysia? Yeah, Malaysia. Next up, the Ford. That's my first car. The Ford. What is it? The Ford GT40. It's kind of nice though. Ford versus Ferrari. Check that out, movie guy. And there's the Dodge Charger made by Ford. Dodge Charger 70. See their engine pop up. Which used by Dom in Fast Furious. Don't know Dom, then you suck. Right, this is the Honda, hey, not Honda, it's Porsche 944 Turbo. Okay, I really don't know this car. I don't know. Okay, Honda, Porsche is, I don't know which country it is. Looks kinda cool. And it's not my favorite. Alright, so gonna put it in this car in my collection. Right here. Why I put it here? Because this place is for my GTR R4034, which I can't find it anywhere. I'm gonna hunt it. I'm gonna hunt it. Not buy it online. Okay? I'm not gonna buy it online. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna hunt it down, boys. Alright, so that's all my video, guys. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.